traders. Today I want to show you how you can backtest for free using a platform called Tradercasa. Now the problem with beginner traders is they just jump straight into the market. They do not have backtest their strategies to see if it actually works. You have to backtest your strategy, calculate your wins, calculate your profits, have all of that, and then know what to expect from your strategy when you get into the live market. So thank God for Tradercasa. You can backtest your trades all for free. So this is my own Tradercasa account. You can see these are some of the trades I took. I backtested. You can see $1,000 loss, $288 loss, $588 in profit, and all of these trades. Now, some of these trades I had taken them hastily just to test the platform and see that it actually works. Because one thing I do on this channel is I test things before coming out to actually show my audience or my subscribers that these things actually work. I will be the last person to just recommend anything for you without actually testing them. So you can see these are all some of the trades which I've taken. You can see at some point when I started taking some time, we started having more wins than what we lost. So you can see closed all of this, and I am mostly focused on gold. So without wasting much of your time, I'll drop the link to sign up to this platform in the description. So click on the description of this video, sign up to the platform. Once you're here, your dashboard will look like this. You can see Tradercasa dashboard, analytics, reports, trades, backtest, notebook. This notebook is for you to write your write things down in the notebook section, why you took the trade, and all kind of journaling. Okay, but we are here for backtesting, so this is the one we're going to click. Now once you click backtest, you can see I'm already in backtest section. You come to where it says plus new section. Now you want to add the pay which you want to backtest. So for the section, we could call it any name. Let's say we want to backtest USD JPY rather. So we can name that. You can write that in the section name. How much balance do you want to start with? If you know that normally you can work with $100, then start with $100 balance. If you know that all you have is $50, start with $50 balance. So whatever trading level you are, with whatever level you are in your trading, start your balance, your starting balance with that. So let's just for the benefits of this video have our balance at 500 US dollars. So 500 US dollars, as you can see. So what pair are we going to be trading? USD JPY. Note that you can trade any pay right here. You can trade any pay. You can see all the pays which you can trade: metals, indices, cryptos. You can trade all of those. I think for cryptos it's just BTC and Ethereum. Okay, you can see it right there on my screen. So pick a date. When do you want to start backtesting? So we want to go as far as say 2024. So we come here January and 2024. Okay, so we picked our date. Okay, this 11th January 2024. So you can see right here. So description, just put the USD JPY backtesting. As simple as that. Backtest. Okay, so as simple as that. So save. So now you've saved this section. So now let's click on where it says play. So it can take you right into the charts for USD JPY section. The only thing Tradercasa gains from you is that at intervals they will be putting up ads on the platform. So that means as you backtesting, at some point you see some ads pop up. So that is the only way Tradercasa is making money of you using their platform. Okay, so now that we are in on this chart, we can now start drawing our levels. You see, these are just like your normal trading view platform. You can see the symbols, the time frames, the candles, indicate all of this is just like a normal trading view. So thumbs up to Tradercasa. They've made this platform just like trading view, so it makes it quite very easy for you. So I don't want to waste much time here. Let me see. I can see this is my demand level, so I can quickly mark out that demand level, and then you see what happened when price got into that demand level. See, this is 15 minutes time frame. So first I would like to use the higher time frame, let's say 1 week, so I can see clearly what price is doing and have an idea where price is actually going, so I know what to do. So you can see the structure, the market structure here at this point. So this is what the structure looks right now. You can see price has been trending upwards at this point. We're having price trend upwards, and then we have this price right currently at this level. So since we have price currently at this level, in the 1 week time frame, we now narrow down. Price is currently reacting off this level, this particular level. So we can pick this level let me see, let's draw this level right now, and then go down to the lower time frames and then see what exactly is happening at those levels. So this level you can see is a clear demand level. You can see the way price moved out of that level smoothly. So we'll go into 1 day time frame so we can study what is going on at this particular level and fine tune our level of interest. So we can see this exactly. This is the level exactly we want to see. So I want to see what will happen at the lower time frame. So assuming this was way to be my analysis, and then I'll now go to the 4 hours time frame, and then just to study what price is actually doing at this point, because you see price was coming down all bearish, and then once price got to this point, I would love to see what price is doing. So with Tradercasa, we can now play price. If we want to play price, which this is the speed, this 5.5, etc. So let's play price and see what's going on. You can see as I'm playing price it's doing its thing. Let me have this at a 4 hours so it can be a little fast. You see, okay, let's put that 3.5. So okay, so now I can see what is going on. I was expecting to see a change of character at this point, so I could maybe take price up, but from what is going on, price broke through that demand, so I'm not interested in buying. So we'll still watch, okay, still watch, play price to what. Okay, so at this point I can now see something which price is doing here. This level is our demand level already. I can see what price is doing. Price is you can see this okay, so this is the advert I was talking about. So we have to wait just 27 seconds for this ads to go off. So if you don't want to wait for these ads to go off, you can simply go to where it says go ad free and make that subscription if you want to use that package. But as a beginning trader, you can cope with this. Just allow 14 seconds, 30 seconds of your time to go, and then you can get right back into our analysis. So 6 seconds, 5 seconds, 4 seconds, 3, 2, 1, 0. So we close. So that is just how Tradercasa makes money off the platform, by giving out all of those, by putting up ads at some point. So at this point, we can see that we had a break of structure here. I was waiting for price to do that in the demand section, but you see we came out of the box which I drew, and then I can see a bullish movement. So if you have your trend line tool drawn out quickly here, you can see that we are about to change course. So I'll be looking to buy. Remember, we have to just sit on our hands and watch price and then see what price is actually doing before we take action. So now that I've seen a break of structure, I can see price coming and tap into this block, this or that other block. So normally all I should have done would have been to just pick up my long tool and then put it up here, then drag it all the way up here, and then my stop loss maybe somewhere here. So you can see my opening balance right here. So this is what I would love to do. So I'll come here to where it says open position, and then I want to buy. To now ask me at what price. You can see the price is right there. Where is my take profit, and all of this, all of that. So let's see where our take profit will be. Let me try to buy from this point just for the purpose of this video, and then our stop loss will just right. Let me try to buy from that point, and then I'm going to target this liquidity. Let's say I'm targeting this liquidity. Let's not go too far. Let me target the liquidity which is right here, because you can see this is the supply zone, the supply area. So I'd love to target that liquidity, which price might likely tap and then drop into the supply zone and then continue selling, but this is a very good point to target. So let's assume this is our trade. This one is to 1.5. Remember, I would have entered it from here, but let's just enter at this point just for the benefit of this video. So open position, I want the coordinates to be filled in already. So let me push price a little higher. So open position, once I tap on open position, you can see these coordinates already filled. Why are these coordinates already filled? Because I have dragged this tool into where price is currently, so it's already filled. So I still want to buy. So open, how many percent of my account do I want to risk? Remember, I have $500, so I'm ready to risk, like, let's say $100. So $100, that will be 20% of my account. So you can see 20%, $100 risk. This is my take profit, this is my stop loss. So save. Once you do that, you will see exactly, you can see right here that I'm going to make 194 if it comes in my favor, and I'm going to lose exactly $100 if it goes against me. There's going to be my entry. So this works perfectly. So you just use this tool, backtest everything you want to, backtest before actually getting into the market. So let's play price and see actually what happens next. So if I win, it will all show here. If I lose, it will all show here live trade. So you can see I'm running 23 bucks in profit to $49 right now, 48. So I can stop here at this point and then break even at break even at this point, or I can trail my stops, or just do anything you would love to do in a normal market situation. But let's see what price will do. So I think we have to fast price. So this video will be not long. Let's move price to 7. Remember, you can use this tool to fast price, use this to play price and pause price, use this to select what time frame you want price to run, and then use the other tool to put your take profit, buy and sell, and the rest of the tools here are just normal trading view tools. The currency pair, the indicator, open. Remember to open your positions right here. If you want to rewind or go backward, use this tool. So let's quickly play price and then see if we won that trade or we lost, so we can move to something else. Wow, this is amazing. TP hits. Congratulations guys. This was our very first trade, live trade, which I just backtested with you guys, and you can see how sweet it was. We just made $194 in the bag. So guys, you see how awesome this platform is. You use the link in the description, sign up to the platform, and guys, I will see you in the next video. Let's keep winning together. Like, share, and subscribe to this channel. If you're new to trading or intermediate level or expert, subscribe to this channel. I drop amazing videos and you will definitely enjoy. Until next time, see you guys. Bye for now.